Above the noise, where architecture meets the sky, form, shadow, and quiet luxury redefined. Defying gravity with unyielding precision. Every detail crafted as a living sculpture. Welcome to the peak of elevated living. An arrival that commands presence. Vast spaces designed to breathe and inspire. Where home reaches beyond the clouds. Active living at the apex of the city. Every step tailored to your highest potential. Rest where the horizon is your bedroom wall. Unmatched access, effortlessly connected. Dining with the universe at your feet. Purify the mind in total solitude. Warmth, serenity, and endless horizons. A glowing beacon of architectural mastery. The Atlas Residences live above it all.